And we start with with the Sefer Shmiras Haloshon, page 95, and topic is powerful words. So, and it says, the powerful speech is great tool with which a man can build heavens and earth. As it is written, I have placed my words in your mouth to implant the heaven, to implant the heavens, and to set base for earth. Yeshayahu. So basically, that's Hashem said, it's all in your power. The prophet speaks in the most literal sense, for through this sacred words of the Torah study and prayer that the Jew utters on this earth, exalted words of words, worlds, and angels are created above. So basically, when we say, when Yeshayahu says, as we just mentioned, that the person can create worlds, it's literally, right? So meaning that by our study of the Torah and prayers. The angels are created above, okay? Worlds and angels are created above. Whatever worlds, whatever it means, angels, it's, I would say, easier to understand, okay? With regard to the latter, the Mishnah states, he who fulfills even a single mitzvah gains for himself a single advocate. It's Perkei 4:13. So I mean, an advocate, who's an advocate, right? By advocate, the Mishnah means that these angels will intercede on the person's behalf before the heavenly throne. So after 120 years, person dies. So we know this, all of these mitzvahs, these angels are going to come, and they have a stamp with a day and time when and exactly the definition of the mitzvah that we did. BeEzrat HaShem. So that's the heavenly angels that we do create. Continue. The level of sanctity of these worlds and angels is contingent upon the two factors. This spiritual readiness of the person at the time of he performed the mitzvah, right? Very important. And the quality of the medium through which the mitzvah was performed. So very interesting. Let's read one more time and we can explain. The level of the sanctity of these worlds. So, I mean, the world and the world, of course, a big difference, right? This and the angels is contingent upon two factors. The spiritual readiness for the person at the time of performing the mitzvah, right? When, I mean, his intention, and the quality of the medium through which the mitzvah was performed. So what does it mean? A person who avoids Lashon Hara and utilizes his power of speech for a positive way is forever enhancing the spiritual power of his words. So meaning that he pronounced this learning or this prayer with a clean mouth. Okay. A person who avoids Lashon Hara utilize the power of speech in a positive way is forever enhancing the spiritual power of his words. Okay. Thus, the Torah study and prayer, which emanate from his lips, are endowed with exalted spiritual light, right? Because he did not speak Lashon Hara. Conversely, if person defiles his mouth with the words of gossip, mockery, falsehood, and the like, with all sort of the sanctity, can these words, the study of prayer, be endowed? Right? I mean, if it's his mouth, his lips are not clean. So I mean, this whatever comes from the product of unclean is unclean. Right? That's a known statement. He's a craftsman that who has severely damaged his indispensable tool. Right? So he has a tool. And let's say, I don't know, they have to be sharp, they have to be straight, they have to be this and that. So, and in this person's case, this tool is not up to the standard. His only recourse is to mend his ways and refine his power of speech. So, as we always say, there is always, and that's what this class is about. It's about refinement and doing teshuva.